Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some cabbage soup, which is best known for the cabbage roll soup. And it's falls in the air, as we know, so it's soup season. So in my pot here, I already have it started. I have, this is what you'll be needing. Okay, in my pot here I have my meat, which is 1 pound of some lean ground beef. I have 1 medium onion in here, finely minced, and I have 5 cloves of garlic. I just got this started. Now it's important for you to use the lean meat because you don't want a lot of that grease floating around in your soup. But if you have like the 80-20 or the other one, just make sure you drain that grease off there really well. But I got that started there, so this is pretty well, this has been sauteing for a while. You want to cook this just until those onions and that meat is nice and brown, and we are there. So now to that, I'm going to be adding in 6 cups of beef broth. A little bit more there. That's 6 cups. And to that, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of carrots. I have the little stick ones. I just kind of broke them down. And we're going to give these carrots a little head start. I'm going to let these hang out in here for maybe 10 minutes. Bring it to a gentle boil, lid on, and we will let those cook. Okay, now if you cut your carrots a little bit smaller, you can by all means just skip this step, and once you add the broth, go ahead and add everything in. It's just mine are a little thick, so I wanted to cook them just a little bit longer. Give them a head start. Okay, now to this, I'm going to be adding in a 1/2 cup of fire roasted diced tomatoes, the ones in the can there, 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, and this is really easy, guys. It's basically just putting it all in the pot and letting it cook. Nothing fancy. Okay, I have here 1 bay leaf, medium small one, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now you know that like the cabbage rolls have that kind of sweet taste to it. That's why that's going in there, and it also helps balance out the acids in those tomatoes. And I have 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I have a third of a cup of rice. I'm just using long grain rice. And 2 good-sized cups of chopped cabbage. You can cut that up however you like. You like it bigger, cut it up bigger. And now the salt is going to be to your liking. Remember, we are using the broth, so that is salted. If you want to use the unsalted broth, by all means, you go ahead and do that. I am trying to find my black pepper, and I don't see it. No, that's my crushed pepper. I have so many spices. Well, I'm just going to go in maybe with 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of some pepper. And I'm going to cover this, and we're going to let this cook just until everything gets tender, maybe 25 minutes to a 1/2 hour. And you're going to simmer this on a gentle boil. Okay, I'm down to my last 5 minutes, and I'm going to add in a good sized tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. Look at there, guys. Doesn't that look good? I like to put this in a bowl and sip on that broth, and then going in with my spoon with that. Yummy. Okay, we got about 5 minutes to go. Okay, guys, soup is all done, and mine cooked for 25 minutes. Amy, don't that look good? That rice and meat and carrots and cabbage, tomatoes. Get a bite here with you guys. Those carrots. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That is so good. Oh, that is so good. Now you can eat this by itself, sip it out of a mug, um, have some crackers with it, some crusty bread, however you want it. I need more pepper though. I like a lot of pepper in mine. But there it is, guys. I hope you enjoy. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. And please hit that like and subscribe button. And for all my new subscribers, thank you so much for being here. And thank you for watching. It's truly appreciated. Help get me out there, guys. Share. And we will see you guys next Sunday. Stay blessed. Make you some soup.